Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the real practical difference between a CLB 8 style answer and a CLB 9 style answer. A lot of people tell me, I keep getting 7 or 8, but I don't know what CLB 9 really looks like. So, in this video, I'll show you a CLB 8 style answer, a CLB 9 style answer, and the exact strategies you can use to move up a level. Let's get started. CellPIP Speaking Task 1 Question. Your friend is thinking about moving to another city for work. Give your friend some advice. CLB 8 Sample Answer. This first answer is a CLB 8 style response. You'll notice many ideas, lots of fillers, and not much development. But the response is long and friendly. Here it is.
Hey, I heard you want to move to another city, for work, right? That sounds really good, actually. Maybe you can, just go there for a few days first, just to see how things are. Or maybe talk to someone who lives there. Or, I don't know, check YouTube videos or something. Sometimes moving feels kind of scary, but if you just go slowly, it won't feel too strange. And maybe you can find a place near downtown, or maybe farther if it's cheaper. A lot of people do that. And you could also try looking at job websites, or maybe talk to your boss about it. Or maybe just move first and then find a job. Some people do that too. Anyway, yeah, there are many things you can do. Just try whatever feels right, Good luck.
Why this is CLB 8. Let's look at why this is a typical level 8 answer. First, too many small ideas. The speaker jumps around. Visit first, talk to people, YouTube, downtown, job websites, talk to boss, move first. Nothing is deeply developed. Second, heavy fillers and hesitation. Appear constantly. Third, weak organization. Ideas are scattered. No clear beginning, middle, end. And lastly, vague vocabulary. Things, stuff, maybe, something, a lot of people, all too basic. This is why real CLB 8 answers stop at 8. Let's look at the CLB 9 answer. This next answer isn't perfect, and that's important. Real CLB 9 answers still have, repetition and small mistakes, but the ideas are clearer, more organized, and better developed. Here it is.
Hey Sam, first of all, many congratulations on getting that job offer in the new city. Well, since I actually lived there for around 4 years, I kinda know how things work over there. When I moved there, I didn't really know anyone at first, but one good thing is that the city has lots of short-term rentals, so you don't really have to commit to a long lease right away. And what I've heard from my friend recently is that the company you're joining has some partnerships with nearby apartments, so you might get a discount. That could be, a great help. Another thing, when I was living there, I was honestly surprised by how good the public transportation was. So you won't need a car immediately. That can save you a lot because parking is pretty expensive in that area. And since I still know a few people there, some co-workers, some neighbors I stayed in touch with, once you land there, just let me know. I can connect you with them or even forward your resume if you ever want to look for part-time work on the side. A lot of people do that to help cover rent. So yeah, overall, I don't think it should be a big problem for you. As long as you plan the first few weeks, temporary housing, transportation, and maybe connecting with a few people, I think you'll settle in really well.
Why this is CLB 9? First of all, one central strategy. Even with fillers and self-corrections, the entire answer follows one clear direction. Prepare the basics before moving. All other points support that single strategy. Temporary housing, transportation, meeting people, part-time options. This is the #1 difference from CLB 8. Secondly, clear development. Each idea has reason, example, short explanation. It's not perfect, but it develops ideas. Third, natural but controlled delivery. There are, but they do not break the structure. This is exactly how real CLB 9 samples sound. Fourth, more precise vocabulary. Short-term rentals, partnership discount, transportation, parking cost. Forward your resume. Not advanced words, just more specific. Lastly, strong task completion. The speaker talks directly to the friend, gives clear and relevant advice, stays helpful in tone, and uses the full response time effectively. All right, let's compare them side by side. For CLB 8, there are too many ideas. The details are vague. There are lots of fillers. The structure is weak, and the advice is very general. For CLB 9, there's one strong idea. It's fully developed. The delivery is natural but controlled. The examples are useful, and the answer has a clear beginning, middle, and end. How to jump from CLB 8 to CLB 9. Step 1. Focus on one central strategy. Don't list 5 or 6 different ideas. Pick one clear direction and make all your points support that direction. Otherwise, it starts sounding like a CLB 8 answer again. Step 2. Give specific examples. Realistic examples lead to higher clarity. Step 3. Reduce fillers. Don't remove them completely, just keep them controlled. Step 4. Use more precise vocabulary. You don't need big words, just clearer ones, like cost of living, apply first, or temporary housing. And that's the real difference between CLB 8 and CLB 9. I hope today's examples help you understand exactly what CELPIP is looking for. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.